How to delete Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete Discord server. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Discord account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials, and after that just open the server of your choice that you would want to delete. So this is the brand new server that I have just created, and I will show you how you will be able to delete a server if needed. So first of all just go to the server settings while clicking on the server name, and over here you will be able to see the server settings option at the this is the third one. Just simply click on it, and after that when you will scroll down the left hand side menu till the bottom, you will be able to see the option called delete server. Now in order to delete the server, just simply click on delete server, and after that you need to enter your server name again. This is to confirm that you are aware of your server name and that you are deleting, and after that just simply click on delete server, and there you go. Now your Discord server has been deleted successfully. So this is how simple it is to delete your Discord server if you want to. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.